ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, welcome to our first short tutorial video. As mentioned in the introduction video, we are using Madinah Arabic books for these tutorial videos. Let's go ahead and get started with book 1. Bismillah. I hope you already have your copies, whether it's an electronic or a hard copy. We are at lesson 1, Ad-Darsul Awwal. It's on page 5 of book print that I have. In this lesson, we're going to learn the word Haza. So what does Haza mean? It simply means this. You may have noticed that the word Haza is not written exactly the same way that we pronounce it. Can you guess what it is? Haza. Haza. The vowel sound after ha is longer, isn't it? Haza. So there's a hidden alif after ha, which is typically dropped in writing for brevity. Okay, let's start practicing this word. All we're going to do is fill in the blank after it. Now we're going to need a few words to practice with, so why don't we learn them as we go? What is this? A house. In Arabic, we call it baytun. A house. Baytun. Now, how are we going to say this is a house? We say هذا بيت. Simple enough, right? هذا بيت. Another word, a masjid. This one must be easy for us Muslims. Masjidun. Masjid. Masjidun. And to say this is a masjid, we simply bring in هذا before it. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. So here, هذا is this. Masjidun is a masjid. Notice the word is not used in Arabic. So we say هذا مسجد. هذا is this. Masjidun is again a masjid. What is this? Babun. A door. Babun. And now we're going to say this is a door. هذا باب. هذا باب. كتاب. A book. كتاب. A book. And this is a book. In Arabic is هذا كتاب. Now let me make a quick note here. Normally in speech we do not pronounce the ending of the final word in a sentence. For example, instead of هذا كتاب, you hear people say هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. But the word endings play a very important role in Arabic. Believe it or not, the function of a word in a sentence depends on its ending. We will learn a lot more about it later, inshallah. But for now, let's keep pronouncing them intentionally for better practice, okay? The next word, قلم. A pen. قلم. How do we say this is a pen? هذا قلم. هذا قلم. مفتاح. A key. مفتاح. A key. And how do we say this is a key? هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. مكتب. A desk. مكتب. And how do we say this is a desk? هذا مكتب. هذا مكتب. سرير. A bed. سرير. A bed. And how do we say this is a bed? هذا سرير. هذا سرير. And finally, كرسي. A chair. كرسي. And this is a chair. In Arabic is هذا كرسي. هذا كرسي. Not bad, right? So, back to our page. I believe we covered the names of all objects here. Let's review them once again. هذا بيت. هذا بيت. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. هذا باب. هذا باب. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا قلم. هذا قلم. I hope you are repeating after me. هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. هذا مكتب. هذا مكتب. هذا سرير. هذا سرير. And finally, هذا كرسي. هذا كرسي. Try to practice these words with your book in front of you or by just watching this video a few times. We'll have a chance to practice them more in the next coming videos. That's it for now. We will see you in the next shot. Assalamu alaikum.